All right, indeed. My name is Joshua Mba once again, and a mini importer, and I want to explain something that concerns every mini importer in Nigeria. One of the platforms that most mini importer use to import products, virtually every mini importer, I don't know, uses this website 1688.com. 1688.com is a Chinese website and is totally scripted with Chinese language. So you can't even say any English word there. Okay. So but the problem is, how can I shop on this platform without me understand what I'm doing? You really need to see what you're doing, understand the words there and know what you're ordering for. So it becomes a little issue. So many people complain like the normal stuff we are told them, use your phone browser. And when you open with Google, you see a pop up from the phone browser, translate, you translate and all that. But those using the desktop, how do they do that? It's going to be a little issue. So I'm here to resolve that issue for you, and we are just going to get started immediately. All right, first thing first, you must know is you have to use your Chrome browser. Please, you have to use a browser. For the sake of this lesson, you are using Chrome browser. And once you're on your Chrome browser, you have to do one installation, which is very, very important. You're going to go to your Google Web Store, Google Chrome Web Store, and you're going to see this particular extension file called Google Translator. I'm going to hit add to my Chrome. So once you click on that, it's going to bring up a pop-up menu like this is already showing here. And you're going to click accept and all that. It gets installed into your browser. So once it's installed, you're actually going to see this small icon here that that's saying Google Translate. All right. So once that is done, you go back to your uh, um, 1688.com. Once you're on that page, click on this Google Translate now. Once you click on Google Translate, you're going to tell you, are you going to translate or you just going to translate the page? You click on translate this page, okay? Once you click on translate this page, all you need to do is just to sit back and watch it translate the page to English language, okay? So it's what is going on here right now. So it's translating this page to English language. Okay, so once it's done, you can actually go, it's still going. So once it's done, you can actually see everything you want and in plain English. I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, and I'd like to hear your feedback on the comment box. All right, thank you very much.